A good evening from the International Purple Festival 2024, right here in Goa, in the capital city, that's Panjim. Well, purple is associated with power, with dignity, and with independence. And that's what's showcased here at the Purple Fest in Goa. People from around the world, around the country, and from around the state have converged here to celebrate the Purple Fest that's happening in Goa for the second year running. So we at Doordarshan have compiled some of the major events and activities here to showcase before you all, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. First up is Damien Carvalho, who surely had a very nice time at the Purple Fest in Goa.
So, Kanisha, my first question to you is, can you tell us what the Owl House is all about?
Okay, so the Owl House is based in Aldona, which is 20 minutes away from MAPSA. And essentially what we are is a neurodiverse skilling center, which means that we work with individuals that have conditions such as autism, ADHD, intellectual disability. And these are just few of the conditions that our students have. We also have students that have Williams syndrome, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy as well.
Can you tell us about the Owl House? You all have particular curriculums. So, a little bit about that, please.
So at the Owl House, we run 3 professional skill curriculums. One of them is store management and production. So in store management, students learn skills such as inventory, billing, accounting. They also learn to maintain a store, so stocking and shelving. In terms of production, we do bottle items such as garlic chili oil, hibiscus tea, or rose tea. So our students make those, bottle it, label it, and then we also sell those items in our store. The second curriculum is food cultivation and gardening. So our students have transplanted, propagated, and also sowed. They also help maintain our nursery that we have. We have plants in our nursery, so they help maintain our plants. So maintenance is also taken care of by the students. We teach them how to identify which plants would need lesser watering and which plants would need more watering. We also have an edible garden. We also have a cafe, which is also part of our third curriculum, which is the cafe management and culinary skill. So the students run our cafe. So we're actually Goa's first neurodiverse run cafe.
I would end this by asking you that in the back, we can see beautiful paintings and a lot of stuff that is being done by the students. So can you just explain to us a little bit more?
So since Purple Fest is going on for 6 days, we decided to showcase different skills that we do at the Owl House on different days. If you do get a chance, come visit us at the Owl House. We also have an Instagram and Facebook with the Owl House Goa. So you can follow us on there. Come visit. We'd love to see you. Our students are great conversationalists and they love interacting with people and talking to people. So definitely come by and you can grab a bite at our cafe.
Thank you so much, Kanisha, and we wish you all the very best and to the Owl House. I'm right now here with Dr. Aarti Channa, who's from Saksham. And as you can see, these wonderful 3D models in the background. So we'd like to ask you, Dr. Aarti, can you tell us something about Saksham?
Sure. So, hello, I am Aarti Channa and I am the program director at Saksham. Saksham was established in 2003 by Dr. Dipendra Banocha and Ms. Rami Seth with a vision that he wanted to empower people because he is himself a blind person. He wanted to empower people like him with using technology because he himself has had the advantages of using technology and felt really empowered and independent after using it. So we are working in the field of accessibility, in the field of education, and making everything accessible for visually impaired persons. We are really grateful to Purple Fest and all the stakeholders, the government of Goa, that they have given us this platform to showcase our project which is really impactful and which really has a value. Various heritage sites of national and international importance have been, converted into replicas. The replicas have been created, which are tactile in nature. A person with blindness can touch and feel and imagine the shape of these structures. So in a way, we are trying to, transfer the cultural heritage of the country and the nation and the globe, means international are also there, to the masses, to the general public, not ignoring people with disabilities. Yeah.
So can you tell us, how do you all make these models and how do you construct them? What are they made of?
So these are basically made up of cornstarch and eco-friendly material, and they have a long life. They can stay there after being touched by so many people. They can be, they can exist for 5 to 7 years. They have a life of 5 to 7 years.
How has been the response to your products from Saksham right here at the Purple Fest?
So as you can see, there is a whole lot of population, and this is a major center of attraction. It is a, you can call them the show stealer right now, because it is placed centrally, and all the crowd, they are coming, not just for visually impaired, even the sighted crowd, they're very excited to look at it, that what they are, and they're touching, feeling, exploring, and they're really beautiful and, attractive to look at. So they are really the crowd pullers, I would say. And what I can say, I'm really overwhelmed by management, my founder, managing trustee. They are also very emotional that they have got this chance and this dream project has come to this level.
So, Dr. Aarti, thank you so much for being with us right here on Doordarshan. And we wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. And yes, we hope to see more of Saksham in many places all over. Thank you so much.
For years together now, Goa was known as the land of the sun, sand, and sea. But for the last 2 years, the International Purple Fest has come into being as Goa's very own. And our correspondent, Orina Vaz, was in quite a few places at the Purple Fest this year.
With me is a noted author. Can you tell us what is your book about and then about your organization?
An Unplanned Journey. That's the title of the book. Subtitle is Stories of Empathy from the Frontiers of Intellectual and Developmental Disabilities. It's a beautiful festival, and nothing could be more opportune to have the book launched here. I run an organization called PISM, and we work totally for individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities. We started this organization in 2005. Okay. We've been in the field for 18 years. Began with the difficulties we faced in placing my son, our son, in an inclusive setup. Okay. We have been talking about inclusive environment for special needs individuals, which is very much lacking. So when I started searching a school in Lucknow, we didn't find one. So we started this organization. We have 65 children with intellectual and developmental disabilities. Then we have 30 children who come from slum dwelling areas. So it's an inclusive environment where these children helping each other.
So is the book that you've written based on your experiences also for running this school that you set up in this inclusive society?
It's all about children, their problems, our problems, teachers' issues, the struggles children's parents have to go through. So these are all stories about these people. My personal experiences.
The challenges, as you said, for parents are vast. Have you managed to reach out to, different facets of difficulties that parents face?
The first difficulty they face is acceptance of the special needs a child has to go through. The first challenge is to make them understand that if you accept it, your journey would be much easier. That's what we did. We accepted that there is an issue and we have to deal with it. So then we moved on. And the result is PISM, this book.
We wish you all the very best and hope your book reaches out to the people that need it the most. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much.
I have Deep Parmar from Ahmedabad. Welcome, Deep, to Goa.
Thank you, ma'am.
And what can you tell us about this AI-enabled assistive device?
So we have developed the glasses for blind and visually impaired people. It connects with our smartphone, and we have an application called Smart On. It connects with the application. We process the video frames and provide information through AI. Basically, it will tell in audio format what's surrounding them. It can also detect currency. It can also read text in all the Indian languages. And apart from that, we are coming up with the latest generative AI features. In that feature, you can just ask any question, any educational related content. It will provide you an audio form output. It also read newspaper, Excel sheet, everything. And we are coming up with a feature named Smart Eye. If you, let's say, if you have a board and any mathematical equation is written on that, you just click a picture of that. Our AI will process that image, understand the equation, and provide you the solution of that equation too.
This technology that you are talking about, has it been taken very well by the visually impaired? I mean, has it been marketed well to them? How is their reaction to it?
Yes, ma'am. We have sold over 500 devices as of now, and people are using it. And the usage time is around 1 hour a day minimum. And they are adapting it very well, specifically students. Even we had an idea like they are using that much. But yes, they are adapting it very well.
What more can you tell us in the long run how technology like this is going to assist differently abled individuals?
Yes. So as an AI expert, I can tell you that AI will definitely help blind and visually impaired people in doing more and more things, specifically in inclusive space and educational aspects. And yes, specifically, AI will definitely help people.
And how has been your experience at the Purple Fest?
It's very good. Yeah, all the arrangements and everything is very good. Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking with us, and all the very best in your reach out to people who need technology like this. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Well, as you can see, I'm on the banks of the river Mandovi, which runs parallel to the capital city of Panjim. And just like last year, the International Purple Fest is being held here at Kala Academy, one of Goa's premier institutions. And Preeti Soiru, our correspondent, was here last year, but she's here this year as well.
मॅम येवकार तुमकां आनी तुमकां DDचेर आमचें स्वागत आसा. तर म्हाका सांगा, ही योजना तुमी आंखल्या म्हणजे दिव्यांगा खातीर, तातूंत तुमी कसल्यो फॅसिलिटीज प्रोवायड करता?
बेसिकली म्हाका नोडल ऑफिसर अपॉयंट केल्ले आसा पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटी एडिप स्किमाचेर तुमकां पळोवंक शकतले हांगा मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सोशल जस्टीस एंड एम्पावरमेंट आनी एलएमको ताच्या अंडर आनी हांगा डायरेक्टर ऑफ सोशल वेलफेअर कमिशनर फॉर डिसेबिलिटी हांचे सगळ्यांचे मेळून ही स्कीम हांगा लोकांक पर्यंत पावोवपाचो आमी प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा. आख्खे गोंयभर गोंयान लोकांनी पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटीज आसा पळय तांच्यांनी हांगा येवन ही स्कीम हिचो फायदो घेवपाचो. म्हणल्यार 3 टायप्स ऑफ डिसेबिलिटीज घेतलेले आसा. कोणाक आयकूं येना तांकां, कोणाक दिसना तांकां, आनी कोणाक मुवमेंट जायना, लोकोमोटरी आसा पळय ते. आनी हांवूय तुमचे कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करता की अशें कोण तर दिव्यांग भाव भयणां कोण आसत नाल्यार तांकां आयदर तुमी घेवन येवचें नाल्यार तांच्या पेरंट्सांनी घेवन येवचें हांगा हे स्किमीचो फायदो घेवपाक. व्हीलचेर आसा, ट्रायसिकल आसा, मोटरायज व्हीलचेर आसा, पांयाचे प्रॉब्लम आसा ते दिल्ले आसा, वॉकर दिल्ले आसा, स्टीक दिल्ले आसा, हियरींग एड दिल्ले आसा, केन्स दिल्ले आसा आनी टेलर मेड हे सगळे आनी मोर सो हे सगळे फुकट.
जे काही फॅसिलिटी जाय ताणें कसले डॉक्युमेंट्स आपले सबमीट करचे पडटा?
बरो प्रश्न केलो. तांच्यांनी आपले आधार कार्ड, UDID कार्ड आसा तेंचे कडेन नाल्यार ते घेवन येवचे. UDID कार्ड ना नाल्यार प्रोविजनल UDID कार्ड करपाचें हांगा आमी ऑलरेडी तयारी केल्ली आसा. आनी जेन्ना परमनंट UDID कार्ड जातले थ्रू ते कित्याक ताका फॉर्मेलिटी आसा ते तेंचे इक्विपमेंट पळय कितें आसा तो तांकां पावतलो. इन्कम सर्टिफिकेटूय दिवपाचो हांगा आमचे दीस आमी वाटे हे केल्ले आसा. प्रत्येक त्या तालुक्याचो त्या दिसांचे सेक्रेटरीज आनी चीफ ऑफिसर हांगा येवन बसलेले आसा.
सपोज कोणाकूय मुखार करपाक जाय जाल्यार ताणें कितें करचें आनी खंय संपर्क करचो?
इन्कम लिमीट आसा ते 22,500 रुपया पर मंथ. कोणाचे इन्कम आसा पळय ते आमी सेल्फ डिक्लेरेशनाचेर हांगा घेतलेले आसा. आनी फुडें तर तांकां फॅसिलिटी जाय हीच नाल्यार तांच्यांनी JMCन कॉन्टेक्ट करूंक शकता ते. नाजाल्यार स्टेट कमिशनर्स फॉर पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटीज आसा तांचे कडेन कॉन्टेक्ट केले जाता. 777-509-7744 आयशा.
ह्या पर्पल फेस्टिवलाचो फायदो निश्चितच सगळ्यांक जातलो अशी आशा करता. देव बरें करूं. म्हाका सांग, तूं ह्या पर्पल फेस्टिवलाक कसो पावलो?
आमी हे काम आमचे घरा चालू आसता, मातयेचे पॉटरी पॉट्स करप हे. पूण आमचे डिपार्टमेंट आहे गोवा हँडीक्राफ्ट, ते आमकां अशे तरेचे केन्ना प्रोग्राम आसतात, इव्हेंट आसतात तेन्ना ते आमकां इन्वायट करता हांगा.
म्हाका सांग, हे तूं कोणा कडच्यान शिकलो?
आमी गणपतीच करताले आमच्या घरा, आमचे गणपतीच आसताले. आतां हांव जी चलयता ही 3रे आमचे जनरेशन आहा गणपतीचें काम. आनी म्हाका तेन्ना स्कूल जावन अशें दिसलें की गणपती आमी हे करतात खंय तरी हे पोट्री काम शिकपाक जाय, एक खंय तरी आपले कडेन एडिशनल एक कला आसपाक जाय आनी ही कला शिकच्या खातीर हांव बेंगलोर गेलो, खानापूर, बेळगांव आनी हे 2 जाग्यार हांव वचून ही पोट्री कला शिकलो आनी ह्या कलेचो म्हाका आतां कळ्ळें की कितें फायदो हा कलेचो तो. लास्ट इयर हांवें जी आमची सेंट्रल जेल हा कोलवाळे, सेंट्रल जेलीन सुद्दां हांवें 4 म्हयने ट्रेनिंग दिल्या पोट्रीची. म्हाकाय बरें एक्सपिरियन्स मेळ्ळो आनी ते बरें शिकले थंयसर.
तुजे कडल्यान जर कला ही शिकपाक जाय जाल्यार तुजो कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर आनी खंय संपर्क करचो?
हांव मोरजे येयल्यार म्हाजें नांव विचारल्यार कोणूय सांगतलो आनी घरा तर आमी सदांच आसता अवेलेबल, काम चालूच आसता आमचें. कोणाक तर ट्रेनिंग जाय आमी थंय दिवं शकता.
On the sidelines of the festival in Panjim, there are lots of other acts happening, and many of them are in the sector of arts and handicrafts. And that's where Shyam Gaonkar comes in, as he met up with some of them at the Purple Fest in Goa.
आमी जेन्ना भोंवडी करताले तेन्ना एक स्टॉल खास करून आमकां हँडीक्राफ्टाचो एक स्टॉल मेळ्ळो आनी हँडीक्राफ्ट जे आमचे गोंय सरकारचे खातें आसा त्याच्या अंतर्गत हे स्टॉल्स हांगा उबारलेले आसा. जाणा जावन घेवया ते कितें तयार करता आनी तांची खासियत कितें. सो सगळ्यात पयलीं तुमकां खूब खूब येवकार आनी तुमचें नांव पयलीं सांगात.
चंद्रकांत तुकाराम परवार सर म्हजें.
अच्छा, तुम्ही खंयच्यान आयल्यात आनी कितें करता?
आमी ठाणेच्यान येयला सर. हे बांबूचें काम आमची परंपरा ती म्हणजे साधारण 30-40 वर्सां हे कामच आमच्या हातीन आसता हे सर. हय सर. आणि हे काम आमी सद्या मार्केटान बी आमी लेट सप्लाय बी करता सर हे. आणि हे ऑफिसल हे काम. हे ऑफिसाच्या ऑफिसाक हे करता सर.
कितले लोक तुम्ही हे जे जे वेगवेगळे प्रकार आसा ते प्रकार करतात आनी कशें मार्केटिंग कशें कितें करतात आनी कोण सपोर्ट करता?
सपोर्ट म्हणजे अशें सरकार सपोर्ट करतात. म्हणजे अशें कोणाय गेले बांबू हाडप आनी अशें लोकल बांबू हाडून कितें तरी हे करून सप्लाय करतात.
हे जो प्रकार आसा हो प्रकार तुमकां शिक्षण तुम्ही खंयच्यान घेतला? तुमकां घरान हे तयार करपाक कोण मदत करता?
ना सर, एक केरळाचो म्हणून एक वर्गीस म्हणून सर आसलो, तिणी आमकां हे शिक्षण दिला सर. हे साधारण 80 पासून हे सर आमकां तेणी शिक्षण दिला. त्याच्या हेच्या अंडरात आमी मातशें काम आमी हे शिकलेले हे काम. आणि हळूहळू तेन्ना आमचो वयोमान बरो आसलो. तिणी ते आमकां म्हणून चल असो घेवया हांकां कामां. तिणी आमकां तशें कामाचे हे म्हायती लावन आमकां तिणी दिली सर.
साधारण कितले लोकांचे तुमकां सहकार्य मेळटा आनी कितले लोक तुमच्या घरांतले मदत करता?
घरांतले म्हणजे आमचें कुटुंब आसता सर. हय, कुटुंब पासून लोक आमचो आसता सर.
तुम्ही हॅप्पी आसा हे सगळे वेवसाय?
हॅप्पी आसा सर.
सो लोकांक समजा शिकोवपाक जाय, कोणाक नवी जाल्यार तुमचें कशें कितें?
कोण सारकें आमी विरीर म्हणटा तशें शिकोवपाक. आमच्या कडसून खुबशे लोक शिकोनूय गेल्लेले आसा. हय, साधारण 10 सेंटर आमी शिकयलेले आसा 10 वर्सां पासून.
तर हे आशिल्ले आमचे दिवचले रावपी परवार बंधू, जांच्यांनी कितलींच वर्सां हो वेवसाय ते स्वता करता आनी जे गोंय सरकारचे हँडीक्राफ्ट खातें आसा तांकां ते सप्लाय करता. खूब खूब देव बरें करूं. धन्यवाद.
थँक्यू सर.
ही तुम्ही सारी आहे जी कुणबी सारी जिका सरकारान राज सारी म्हणून दर्जो दिलो आसा त्याच्या संदर्भात ही विंट आसा तुमकां कितें दिसता?
खरेंच बरें दिसता. गव्हर्मेंटान हे खूब जिवंत रावपासाठी ती कला जी सोपो दिल्लेली आहा. गव्हर्मेंटान गांवागांवांनी प्रशिक्षण दिता आनी ते जिवीत थेयलेले आसा ही कुणबी साडी आनी इंटरनॅशनल सुद्दां बरें दिसता.
सो ही ट्रेनिंग तुमकां तयार करपाची सारी कशी कितें ट्रेनिंग दिली आनी कोणी दिली?
हांव दिता ट्रेनिंग साडी विणपाची. त्या हिशोब भुरग्यांक सगळ्या सेंटरां खोलून गव्हर्मेंट दिता. एक धागो हाडून आनी वेगवेगळे कलर. हे आतां समजा एक पांय आपलो इतली सुद्दां वयर येता अशें मारपाचें तयार जाता. अशें करून आमी तांकां ट्रेनिंग दिता भुरग्यांक अशी.
साधारण समजा ही कुणबी सारी शिकपाक इच्छा आसा जाल्यार तांच्यांनी कोणाक संपर्क साधप आनी कितें करप?
आमचे डायरेक्टर हँडीक्राफ्ट आहा जे ट्रेनिंग दिता. गांवागांवांनी दिता. आतां वारकण आसा, कोरगांव आसा, अर्शनोडा आसा आनी शिरोडा आहा. खूब जाग्यार तेंच्यांनी अशें ओपन केल्ले आहा शिकोवपाचें. ते दितात ट्रेनिंग आमचे सगळे हँडलुमाक.
हे मार्गदर्शन दिवपाक कितली उमेद दिसता आनी तरणाट्यांक तुमी कितें सांगूंक सोदता?
आतां भुरग्यांनी जरूर हेचे लाभ घेवपाचो आनी हे काम शिकल्यार तर वेस्ट जावपाचें ना. त्या काळात आमच्या हँडलुमानूच आमचे खरें उदरगत जाली. हँडलुमामुळे पुर्तुगेज टायमाक कपडे मेळत नासले तर आमचे इंडपी गोंयांत आहात ते पालया सारक्या गांवांत आनी बोस्टोडा थंय अशें महाग विणून ते वाले आनी साडयो त्या टायमाक तयार करताले. म्हणून आमच्या भुरग्यांनी हे इंडपाचे घेवपाचे खूब हेतूत काय लॉस ना. आनी घर बसल्या सुद्दां बायलांनी हो धंदो करून आपलो जिवनांत अशें कांय तरी सुदार करूं येता.
तर हे आशिल्ले तुकाराम परब जे वारखंड्या गांवांत आसा. तांच्यांनी एक वेगळी अशी कला हांगासर सादर केली. ताका लागून खूब खूब शुभेच्छा ताका. देव बरें करूं.
So as the sun sets in Goa, it's adieu and goodbye, but not before I remind you that in tomorrow's capsule, we'll bring you everything in parasports, right from unified badminton to wheelchair cricket. So thank you for joining us. It's Savio Noruna from Panjim saying adios and goodbye.